Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Keepers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Kia Sorento LX, stock reference number 4654. This shape runs from the 7th month 2007 through to the 9th month 2009. It has a D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. It's got a ECB steel bull bar with all fittings and driving lights, with the right hand headlight, radiator grille, left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts and brackets and loom with neck, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door has 4 small dents, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, dual sunglass type, non-sunroof, left hand sun visor, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.